Hey everybody, Janice Allen. It's Tuesday and my tip for today is all around smoke detector maintenance. Here's some general maintenance tips for different types of alarms. Alarms powered by a 9-volt battery or a AA battery, please make sure to at least test once a week, clean them monthly, and replace the batteries at least once a year, and replace the entire smoke alarm every 10 years. For those alarms powered by a 10-year sealed or long life battery, make sure to do the following. Test the alarm once a week, clean the alarm monthly, and since you can't replace a sealed battery, replace the entire alarm after you hear the end of life signal, which is 5 chirps. And the last alarm is the one that's hardwired into a home's electrical system. Test the alarm once a week, clean the alarm monthly, and replace the backup battery at least once every year, and make sure to replace the entire alarm after 10 years. I hope you found this tip useful. Take care.